Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand, a fair price. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2020 Forte. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, FWD, 4-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.